how to take a screenshot on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you can take screenshot on Windows 11 with the inbuilt sniping tool. So for that, you'll need to remember the shortcut keys, that is Shift, Windows and R. So just press and hold it all at the same time, and then something like this will pop up on your screen. Now you need to go to the camera icon, and then you can see the plus icon. Just drag it around and select the area that you want to take the screenshot of, and once you leave it, your screenshot is done. Now you just need to go to your file explorer, and then on the left side you'll see screenshots, and there you go, your screenshot has been saved. It's as simple as that. Now you can share it with anyone you want to. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.